I'll be drawing the elevation and the section right away from this line here. Alright, so in order to draw the elevation, what we'll do here is project from the plan and the section here, so you can use the construction line horizontal. From here, everything will be visible from the ground level, so I'll be picking up all these points: lintels, a roof, and the parapet. So all these things are essential for our asset. Stairs, as the stairs will be visible right away from here. Then I like to have the other construction line vertical, starting from here, as this part will be visible. Sunshade here, windows, then the stairs, windows, then the sunshade, wall, and finally the asset. So I have to understand that our asset will be right away in between of these two components here. Okay, first let's trim this part, as you will never see any sort of things right in here, as this one is, I can say, a sort of roof. Okay, then we can have the sort of stairs right here, so I can use a rectangle, and stairs will be in between here. I can change up the layers just for representation of color. First stair, the step, the second step, and we have the third step here. Okay, now these lines are not even required, you can delete it. So you got, I don't want this one. Alright, then I can trim these lines. First is there, and second will be right here. I don't want these lines here. Alright, then I can just how, okay, in between here we got window. Just look in here, and that one will be right from here. The windows shall be right away in between of these 4 or 3 lines. I can have the rectangle, you can use, or you can offset it. Okay, the height of the window shall be 120. Then I use the rectangle for drawing this window. First window will be here, and the second window will be right here. I can get into rectangle. Second window will be right here. You can have the partition, or you can have the offset. I'm not really getting into it. Alright, so we don't need these lines anymore. This ones can also be deleted. Okay, I like to explore this asset and offset. Okay, then here, and then drawing up these lines here. That's it. We'll be having the door here. Okay, first point. Oh my god, I didn't have to delete this line here. Second point. Okay, so you can have the door without having the top lintel line here. Okay, you can delete all these lines later on. Finally, let's get into the sunshade here. Okay, first point, then I can go for dimensions. First point to second point, then height shall be, maybe the thickness shall be, or sunshade shall be 15 centimeter. Alright, so all these windows look so great. The same thing can be copied right into the other face. A copy, I'll be using this point and copying right into here. Okay, so these lines are also not required anymore. Delete, delete. Alright, then you can delete these lines, trim these lines, erase. These lines are no longer required. Same thing can be done here. Trim, then I can delete this line. Okay, alright, then we have sort of a projection of a sunshade right here. So maybe I'll be drawing a line here, offsetting this 60, which will be the asset of sunshade, and okay, then trim it. The same thing can be done right away from here. I can use the stretch Okay, then I can stretch it again. This could be turn on ortho. There could be like a 60. Then trim. One more here. Okay, don't want this one. So that's all about drawing up the elevation of the building. Maybe looks so great or ugly. I can hatch or do anything for boosting up the beauty of the shit.